In daily life, we often need to talk about meeting people, visiting doctors, or scheduling interviews. Making appointments is an important English skill. In this lesson, learn how to ask for a time, confirm, or change a meeting politely using simple and natural English. When you want to meet someone, the easiest way is to use polite phrases. You can say, "I would like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith." Another way is to ask, "Are you free tomorrow afternoon?" You can also say, "Could we schedule a meeting for next week?" Or ask, "When would be a good time to meet?" These phrases make your requests sound respectful and clear. Let's look at a short example. Person A says, "I would like to make an appointment for a checkup, please." The other person answers, "Sure, are you free on Wednesday morning?" Person A agrees and says, "Yes, that works for me. Thank you." This is a friendly and polite way to arrange a time to meet. When making appointments by phone, start politely and give clear details. For example, the receptionist says, "Good morning, Sunrise Clinic, how can I help you?" The caller replies, "Hello, I would like to make an appointment with Dr. Lee." The receptionist checks the schedule and asks, "Are you free this Thursday afternoon?" The caller confirms, "Yes, Thursday works for me. Thank you." Clear communication helps both sides understand easily. After you agree on a time, it is polite to confirm. You can say, "That time works for me." Or, "Let's confirm our meeting for 3 p.m. You can also say, "See you at the office tomorrow morning." Another polite phrase is, "I will send you a reminder before the appointment." These expressions help you sound organized and professional. Sometimes plans change and another time is needed. To change a meeting politely, say, "I am sorry, but I need to reschedule our meeting." The other person might say, "No problem, when would be a good time for you?" You can reply, "How about Friday morning?" The other person confirms and says, "Perfect, I will update the calendar." Speaking respectfully keeps the conversation smooth and friendly. To check someone's availability politely, use soft and kind language. You can ask, "Do you happen to be free this afternoon?" Or say, "Would you be available for a quick meeting tomorrow?" Another good phrase is, "Could we arrange a time to talk later this week?" You can also ask, "When would be convenient for you to meet?" Using polite questions shows good manners and helps build positive communication. Confirmation helps prevent confusion and shows professionalism. You might say, "Hi, I just wanted to confirm our appointment for tomorrow at 2 p.m. The other person may respond, "Yes, that's right. Looking forward to seeing you then." You can reply, "Great, thank you for confirming." Confirming appointments is simple but very important. Sometimes it becomes necessary to cancel or move an appointment. You can say, "I am afraid I have to cancel our meeting this afternoon." Or ask, "Can we move our appointment to another day?" You may also say, "Would it be possible to change the time?" Always be polite and add, "Sorry for the inconvenience and thank you for understanding." A brief apology and honesty help maintain respect and trust. Making appointments politely is an essential English skill. Use clear phrases like, "I would like to make an appointment." Ask gently with, "Would you be available?" Always confirm or reschedule in a positive and respectful way. Remember to thank the other person by saying, "Thank you for your time." These expressions make conversations smoother and show that you are polite and confident in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.